Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. We will learn about the C programming language. In this series, we learn the C programming language. Today we will learn basic features of C language. Let's start the video.
C is the widely used language. It provides many features of C language. Simple, machine-independent or portable, mid-level programming language, structured programming language, rich library, memory management, fast speed, pointers, recursion, extensible. First one is simple. C is a simple language in the sense that it provides a structured approach to break the problem into parts, the rich set of library functions, data types, etc. Second is machine-independent or portable. Unlike assembly language, C programs can be executed on different machines with some machine-specific changes. Therefore, C is a machine-independent language. Third is mid-level programming language. Although C is intended to do low-level programming, it is used to develop system applications such as kernel, driver, etc. It also supports the features of a high-level language. That is why it is known as mid-level language. Fourth is structured programming language. C is a structured programming language in the sense that we can break the program into parts using functions. So, it is easy to understand and modify. Functions also provide code reusability. Fifth is rich library. C provides a lot of inbuilt functions that make the development fast. Sixth is memory management. It supports the feature of dynamic memory allocation. In C language, we can free the allocated memory at any time by calling the free function. Seventh is speed. The compilation and execution time of C language is fast since there are lesser inbuilt functions and hence the lesser overhead. 8. Pointer. C provides the feature of pointers. We can directly interact with the memory by using the pointers. We can use pointers for memory, structures, functions, array, etc. 9. Recursion. In C, we can call the function within the function. It provides code reusability for every function. Recursion enables us to use the approach of backtracking. And last one is extensible. C language is extensible because it can easily adopt new features. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe and also press the bell icon in front of it. Thank you.